Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make fried rice. Fried rice is heavily influenced by the Chinese. The local kind of fried rice can consist of whatever you got on hand, such as Portuguese sausage, char siu, cheong, shrimp, spam, chicken, beef, etc. It really is perfect if you got plenty of leftovers in the fridge. I've had fried rice growing up at potlucks and plate lunches. If you are craving more Hawaiian kind recipes, check out my friend Real at Keeping It Real. Her channel covers a lot of Ono recipes. I've tried a few of her recipes and they were a hit. So if you got time, go check out her channel and website for more Ono-licious recipes. Now, here are the following ingredients for fried rice. The best kind of fried rice is when the rice is about a day or two old. It needs to dry a little, making it perfect for frying. If it's freshly cooked rice, it'll be too sticky, making it mushy. Heat a well-seasoned wok or a large frying pan over medium heat and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the eggs and scramble for about 30 seconds or until the eggs have barely thickened and no visible liquid egg remains. Set aside the scrambled eggs. Set the wok back on the heat and add in 2 tablespoons of oil, then add in the toughest vegetable first, which are the carrots, and let it fry for about a minute or 2 until the carrots are tender. Then add in the onions and let it fry for another minute or 2 until it has become translucent. Lastly, add in the peas and cook it for a short time. The peas don't need to cook long or it will start to look wrinkly. Remember to cook the vegetables in the order from toughest to the softest. Set aside the cooked vegetables. Using the same wok or frying pan, add in the last remaining 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add in the leftover rice and stir it until all of the rice has been coated in the oil. When the rice is coated, add in the oyster sauce, shoyu, white pepper, and salt. Stir it well until everything has been mixed together nicely. Start adding everything to the rice. Cooked chicken, spam, scrambled eggs, and cooked vegetables. Stir it until everything looks like it has been mixed well. Turn off the heat, serve it hot, and enjoy this Ono-licious fried rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!